Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today I need to find something. I need to find a new induction cooker for my house because the old one already faulty. So we found out that we're gonna buy this, and accidentally we found out that Harvey Norman also is having an offer. I'm not quite sure everybody knows or not, but Harvey Norman, if you look at their website for today, they have this price guarantee offer. So price guarantee is something that I think is not new with Harvey Norman Malaysia, but what they say is for the price guarantee offer from Harvey Norman, if you find any price online or in any shop nearby you and you bring that price to any Harvey Norman, they will basically match the price together with the price that you found in the shop or online, and after that they will top up 10% or so the difference for discount. So we're gonna try this today. We're gonna go to Harvey Norman Ikano Power Center in Damansara. After we found out from the salesperson later, then we're going to share with you either we successful purchasing with this price guarantee offer from Harvey Norman or not. So I find out the price that I want, the cheapest price that I want in Lazada for Electrolux EEH353C. So this is the lowest price that I can find in Lazada for the item that I want, and I will bring this advertisement, bring it over to Harvey Norman, show to the salesperson, and after that I will ask them to match this price, which is 1,780. So that is the price, the lowest price that I can find, and we will try whether Harvey Norman can basically match the price guarantee offer or not. So if we made it, make it through, then we will share with you the details later. So as they stated here, point number 4 for price guarantee, you need to bring the necessary proof. So I will bring this one, I will print it out, bring this one and show to them that I want this price. This is the lowest price that I can find in Lazada for the item that I want. This is the Electrolux induction cooker. Alright, okay guys, something interesting for today. Hope it will help everyone. Bye.
Okay, now we are at IKEA. Let's go to Harvey Norman Ikano Power Center. Alright, check it out.
It's really exciting to see this offer from Harvey Norman, because if I manage to get the price guarantee, I basically get a cheaper price from Harvey Norman compared to Lazada. Yay! Surprisingly, I get the cheaper price. Actually cheaper than Lazada price. So that is always good. I will try to install it myself at home later and see whether it works or not. But I really like the offer.
Hi guys, we just got back from Harvey Norman. So we try out the Electrolux cooker and it works fine. So we try it with the kettle to boil water, and then I make some gulai masak lemak ayam over here. So this is the unit. I installed it myself. It's worked fine. With this cooker we have 2 options to cook big stuff and small stuff with timer as well. So that is all for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, see you next time. Bye.